Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'm going to check the Craftsman heavy-duty staple gun. The forward-facing Pushfire staple gun. Pushfire technology, stability, yes, that's the draw of it. It doesn't have as much kickback. Made in Taiwan. So, let's check it out. Alright, well, let's tear it out. Well, yes, that is a vintage 80s boombox. Thank you for asking. 3 cassette players. Bada bing, bada bang. Anyway, let's tear into this. Gotta cut that. It's just paper. This is plastic. Okay. I can dig it. There we go. That. And out of there. Okay. Those forward Pushfire staplers. Unlike the standard type, the handle faces back. This one faces forward. No staples in it yet. This way there's no or less chance of kickback, which I like. Which I don't like is the body is plastic, handle's plastic. I'm going to see how long it lasts, possibly. Hopefully it lasts a long time. But you pinch that back part to load staples. It says heavy duty, even though it's plastic. We'll see. And it takes 1/4 to 9/16 staples. Doesn't that take brads? Like my old one right here. But I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put it against this one. See which is easier. Probably this one. And we'll have to see, won't we? Piece of wood. Let's load some staples. Let's try the 1/4 first. Just like that. Okay. And there is no adjustment for how much pressure you're gonna force you're gonna use. But just that saying, hey, staple goes here. All right, there we go. No kickback. Now with this, let's see. That also have them in there. Okay. Right. Yep. Same ones. Had this for years now. Pretty good, both of them. Now, let's try the half. Get apart. There we go. Half. Probably in this wood. I don't know if it'll go all the way down. Sometimes it just won't. Alright, let's try that. Nope. Not all the way down. Not all the way down. Now let's see compared to the metal bodied one. Oh, there we go. Little pieces. Nice. See if this can do it. Yep. That one was able to get them all in. Probably because this one is just a simply higher quality. It was more expensive. This one was normally 15 bucks at Ace, so like 10 bucks. But I do like that because when we put up Christmas lights, it was really hard with this one on the ladder, and then you did get the kickback you don't hear. But when you're at different angles, it is harder. It is harder. But for this one, on lighter jobs, I would say a definite yes. It does not have all the features a more expensive one would have, like that right there. That's a guide that comes out. Put the wire there, or whatever you have, the staple. Hit it and it'll go around. Much less chance of piercing a wire. And then it has this right here. How much power you got? Like here. No, misfire. It's stuck. Yeah, there. Let's try this again. It didn't stick. I was mistaken. Oops, I did not put that in all the way. Shoot. That's embarrassing. Not really, I don't care. Yeah, because when it's on the lower setting, they do not go in all the way. Not as bad as the plastic one, the Craftsman plastic one. But still, the setting does help a lot. All the way down. But, like I was saying before, small jobs, yes. Jobs that are kind of awkward, yes. I will definitely use this one. Stuff that needs some heavy-duty work, yes, definitely this one. By itself, yes. If you want a forward-facing handled stapler, yes. Definitely go for it. It's very comfortable. I'll give it that. Very comfortable. And definitely worth it. Even for 15 bucks, definitely worth it. Go for it. The staplers like this are upwards of 25, 30, 40, 50 bucks. This one, if you just need something not too heavy, something that doesn't have a lot of kickback, that's the main draw of this stapler, then yes, definitely. But thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.